wish your tattoo could vanish like magic? In this video, I'm revealing the ultimate SFS makeup trick that transforms your bold ink into flawless skin. For the sake of this tutorial, I am using this tattoo sticker from SFS Smart. Why? Because I do not have an ink or tattoo on my skin, so I'm just going to use this sticker to replicate a tattoo and show you how to make your permanent tattoos vanish. Once we're done applying the sticker, next up is painting. So I'm using the Skin Illustrator palette to paint, and first off I need to get my undertone. So I'm going to do that by checking my vein. My vein appears greenish, so that gives me the warm undertone, and I'm going to use the green paint to start off my painting.